Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import cookies to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will appear with additional choices. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of add-ons and tools to enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Cookies Editor and press Enter. This will bring up search results for cookie management extensions that allow you to view, edit, and import cookies. From the search results, locate and click on the Cookies Editor extension. This will open the extension's details page where you can learn more about its features and see user reviews. Once you're on the extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will now download and install the extension, which should only take a few seconds. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the extension has been added successfully. Next, look at the top right corner of Chrome near the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on the Cookie Editor extension to open it. When the Cookie Editor opens for the first time, you'll see an option for all sites. Click on it and then click Allow to grant the extension permission to access and manage cookies across all websites. This permission is necessary for the extension to function properly and import your cookies. Now click the extension icon again and open the Cookie Editor once more. This time you'll see the main interface of the extension with various options. At the bottom of the Cookie Editor window, locate and click the Import button. This is where you'll be able to bring in your saved cookies. At this point, you need to open your file browser and navigate to the location where your cookies file is saved. This file typically contains cookie data in JSON format. Once you've located the file, open it with a text editor like Notepad. Select all the content inside the file and copy it to your clipboard. Now return to Google Chrome where the cookie editor is still open. You'll see a text field in the import section. Click inside this field and paste the cookie data you just copied. Make sure all the content has been pasted correctly before proceeding to the next step. Finally, click the import button within the cookie editor. The extension will now process the cookie data and import it into Chrome. You should see a confirmation message once the import is complete and your cookies are now active in your browser. And that's it, you've successfully imported cookies into Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.